Alright, in front of us is a map, a nice cool little poster of the solar system. I have this light hooked up, the power source, 2 AA batteries, approximately about 5 feet away. Let's see if we can focus. Perfect. This thing is illuminating the entire room. Soft light. It's a nice light. It's white. You can really see all the detail in here. It's kind of what it looks like from 5 feet away, directly at you. I want to put a few of these in my hand so you can see what kind of the temperature level. I mean, it's an amazing little light. You're not going to be disappointed with this.